Ever wonder how a tiny black dot turns into a leaping explorer? This week, we're hopping into the incredible life cycle of frogs. Our pre-K scientists are discovering exactly what frogs can do.
What can frogs do? And swim.
We also explored what frogs love to eat, using their long, sticky tongues to snatch up insects like flies and dragonflies in the blink of an eye.
What do frogs love to eat? The fish or the plants or the insects? Insects, very good.
The fun continued at our desks as we practiced our fine motor skills to color and label our very own frog shapes, from singing 5 green and speckled frogs to learning how they grow.
Eating the most delicious bug. Yum, yum. One chomp. Very is it nice and cold. Then we have how many legs? 4.
Every moment is a new adventure. Come grow, play, and leap with us. Join our sweetest school at Yang Fan Academy.